you look so handsome. So pretty. It's the biggest teddy bear I've ever seen. These are the different things you can make. That was not easy, huh? Pretty. Whoa, that's a beautiful sunrise. Checking in. Korea crew. Hey guys. Exciting. It's our first time arriving international at Gimpo. Yay! We're in Seoul. Oh, are you guys on the stairs? And me and Levi are on the escalator.
Don't get by.
Eating lunch at 4 p.m. today.
Happy Thanksgiving.
That naengmyeon looks so good. Everything's so good. Bibi really likes this kimchi. Not spicy. It's delicious. Yum. We're at Juno Hair now, trying to see if they can fit Levi in for a haircut. Gotten pretty long in the back. Already looking so much better. Dude, you look so handsome.
Thank you.
What do you think? Can you do a spin for us so we can see the side and the back? Wait, more slowly. Nice. All right, guys, let's head to Bath. Are you ready to go to Bath?
Yeah.
Thanks for being patient. Woo! Feeling good in the Bath store. Tim's back from his ATM excursion. The store is so fun. Bye, guys.
They look delicious. You want grape and strawberry? Which one do you want? Only grape. They've got heading back to the metro, and then we came across this beautiful cathedral.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are taking a taxi today because it is so cold. Fall colors in Seoul right now are so pretty. There was a huge temperature drop between yesterday and today. Yesterday was around 60 degrees and today is just in the mid 30s. We're gonna spend most of the day indoors. Right now we're taking a taxi to COEX Mall. This is one of my favorite drawings that Bibi does. Such a cute unicorn. Made it to COEX. Alright. How gorgeous that is. Wow.
Baby, every day I wake up, I'm just trying to feel my feet, trying to
So
feel
pretty.
anything.
You're just gonna go up again?
I see.
We're having hot pot for lunch.
Comes back, it all comes back. It's fresh.
Thank you.
It was so good. Very well.
We're heading in to the aquarium.
Good evening.
Hello.
The kids are watching Elf, and the pizza we ordered just arrived. Went with Mr. Pizza. That one might be my sweet potato pizza.
It's the sweet potato pizza.
Sweet potato breadsticks, so good. This is the setup. We are in a taxi again, and we are headed to Hongdae because we're gonna try out a new cafe.
The teddy bear cafe.
Yeah. Here it is. That one says, oh my gosh, look at how beautiful the cakes are. Hi.
Hi. Oma,
Oh,
I think your phone is supposed to go the other way.
you can do it both ways. Just got this selfie stick yesterday, so we're just trying to figure out how to work it. Let's see how it turned out. Let's see. That's awesome. this one the first attempt.
This teddy bear is so soft.
So soft, huh? Of course, we wind up at another photo studio. Let's see how they turn out.
Mama, there's a QR code on mine.
Oh, okay, perfect. Yeah. On our way to E-Mart now. I don't know, I'm not that into those anymore. Look for the banana chips. What do you got?
Find your swing chips.
You want those?
Yes.
Thank you. We're back. We were here in September, here for round 2. This cabbage pancake is Timmy's favorite. Quick clip of us at Ssamzigil!
Yay!
We're on our way now to do some traditional Korean arts and crafts in Bukchon. Pretty. Let's go. Made it to our destination. So these are the different things you can make. They have a dragonfly keychain, bracelet. I think this is a necklace. Or they have, this is like a glasses or a mask strap, keychain. Take your shoes off. You can choose what colors. If you choose a different color, it will be pretty.
Is this an orange? I like this one.
Okay.
Here, I like this.
That one? Okay.
네. 네. 맞아요.
So hard.
Levi, that was not easy, huh? Let's see. Oh,
Let's get a picture.
Cool. Bibi, let's see your dragonfly keychain. Oh, that's so cool, guys. Mommy sun date. Cool gloves. Are they warm? Look at that light.
Yum.
Enjoy, my son.
Thank you.
We haven't had dinner yet.
This is our dinner.
We're a little bit under the weather. and we just went downstairs near our hotel to get some food. Curried pork cutlet, got a cream soup. How's that soup?
Hey Levi, I see you. Hello. Wow, that's so pretty. Going for a final stroll in Insadong before our Klook taxi comes and picks us up, and then we have to head to the airport. We're airport bound.
Yeah.
So sad. We've already been to Korea 3 times this year,
And we only went to 2 cafes.
yeah, there's still so much more
There are
to see.
100 cafes on your list.
Lots of cafes to visit, huh? Arrived at Kimpo. Ooh, the sky looks so pretty today.